What's the meaning of arrest? Arrest. Arrest.
Arrest. Arrest. The word arrest refers to the act of taking someone into custody by law enforcement officials. This can occur when an individual is suspected of committing a crime or has been charged with a criminal offense. The result of an arrest is that the person is taken into custody and brought before a court of law to face charges. The individual's liberty is restricted, and they may be held in jail or released on bail until their trial. Arrests are a crucial tool for maintaining public safety and enforcing the law.